Lovely students, I hope you would be fine and you would be studying well. So after so many days, like after 10 days, I am uploading this video, and but yes, you have to share my video, you have to subscribe it, and you have to like it. Okay, so this chapter I have taken from First Flight, and the chapter's name is Glimpses of India. Now this particular chapter consists of 3 parts. Okay, the first part is A Baker from Goa. It is by Lucio Rodriguez. Second is Kurg. It is by Lokesh Ebrol. And third is Tea from Assam. This is by Arup Kumar Datta. So now what I will do, I will make 3 specific videos for all these parts, and I'll talk about particular part in each video, right? Also, I will give you some important questions which I feel they are very important for you, but I will upload those questions on my FB account, and you will find the list of the questions in the description box. Like, you will find the link of that particular page, my FB page, in the description box. So please check it after the completion of the video. So let's take A Baker from Goa. Now this is a pen portrait. What is pen portrait? It is describing bakers from Goa. This chapter describes how bakers are so important part of the important part in the society of Goa, and how they dress up, what is their lifestyle. Also in this chapter you will feel and you will see the comparison between the lifestyle of Goa when it was colonial period, or in the traditional period in the past, and in today's era, how their lifestyle is. Okay, so the writer is describing about a traditional Goan village. Okay, and in this village, the bakers, who is known as padder, okay, the bakers who is known as padders, still have very important part. Okay, so he is describing that the padders, means the bakers of Goa, they have too much of importance in the society of village, right? Now the writer is speaking, and he is describing how bakers, they bake the breads, okay, and how breads are important meal in the part of in the Goan lifestyle. Okay, like the writer is saying that right from marriage parties to engagements to little bit ceremonies in the house, people, they are fond of eating breads. So there are different kinds of breads, like the normal bread which we eat, the kind of buns, the big breads. Okay, so many types of bowls are there. So the writer is describing the various kind of breads which are popular in Goa, and they are used in various occasions in the Goan society. Okay, he is also talking how when he was a young child, how he was so much welcoming to these bakers which were known as padders. Okay, so now when these padders, they used to come early in the morning, when the writer was a child, they used to rush, they used to wake up early just to meet these padders. And why? Because the kind of aura this padder used to develop in the morning, like the ladies of the houses, they used to gather around the padder, and they used to select the best breads, and the kind of gossip they used to do, the writer used to enjoy it, and therefore he used to wake up early in the morning to welcome the padders. Okay, he is also telling that padders, they were very important, they were kind of mentors for them. They used to be like friend, they used to be like guide to these children. So it was not like that they were sellers, so people, they used to be, away for them, or they used to have the relation of just very informal relation. It was not like that. He is describing that the peddlers, they were very important part of Goan society, and the kind of dress, he is also describing the kind of dresses they used to wear. They used to wear a special dress which is known as which was special, okay, and the dress was up to a little bit longer than knee area, and they used to carry a kind of basket in which they used to keep the breads, okay. And here the writer is very descriptive about the baker's entry in the village. He is saying that whenever he used to come in the village, he used to produce jang jang sound of a specially made bamboo staff, okay. Staff means that the kind of chadi, the kind of stick he used to use, okay. He used to support basket with his one hand, and then he used to bang the the stick on the ground, and there was a kind of what do you say, ghunguru around the stick, which used to produce zang zang sound, okay. Now he is also describing the Goan society, which was very simple at that moment of time. He is also saying that we don't used toothpaste and all. We used to just pluck mango leaf, and we used to clean our teeth, okay. So he is describing the simple lifestyle of Goa, right, and the importance of bakers in Goan society, okay. Now he is also telling about the bowl. Bowl is a kind of bread which was used in the marriages and all, okay. So he is describing in detail about the dresses of bakers, which was known as kabai, okay. Now what kind of dress it was, kabai was? It was a single piece long frock reaching down to the knees, okay. Now he's also saying that during that time the bakers, they used to wear a shirt and trousers which were shorter than full length ones and longer than half pants. Even today the bakers in the Goa, they use short length pant and shirt, so they normally dress like padders, okay. Now he is talking about the collection of the bills, okay. He is saying that the bakers, they used to collect their bills at the end of the month. So they were not knowing the hisab kitab, they were not knowing the accountancy. So what they used to do, while going in the morning, they used to give the breads, they used to sell. While returning back, they used to collect the money, and those who were not able to give money during their departure, they used to maintain their ledger on the wall. So they used to do all hisab kitab at the end of the month, okay. He is saying that the bakers were quite wealthy also. They never used to starve, okay. So, and their family never used to starve. So they were quite wealthy people. They used to look happy and they used to look prosperous, okay. And their plump, means their healthy physique, was an open testimony. Testimony means the open proof for that they were Khatapita people. Their family was Khatapita people, okay. So people, those who look like a jackfruit, till today in Goa, people start comparing them to a baker, okay, to a pedder. So this was all about baker from Goa. So now in this particular chapter, what writer has done, there are different writers, but the motive behind giving this chapter in the curriculum is that you should know about the enriched culture and tradition of India. Like in this particular chapter, the chapter talks about Goa. The second part, it talks about Coorg, Coorg is again a very beautiful place. The scenic beauty is absolutely amazing. There are many adventurous, sports. Their culture is very different than Goa. Okay, and then the chapter talks about Assam, the tea from Assam, and they are describing the beauty of Assam. They are talking about how tea came into existence, how it got originated, and what are the different legends behind the origination of tea. So here the motive is that yes, India is one country. There are different cultures, there are different traditions, people have different belief, but the final thing is that we are one. Okay, so India is diverse, but then too India has unity. So this was the motive of this chapter, and in my second video you will know about the second part of this particular chapter, that is Coorg. So I will explain you in detail about Coorg, and the third video will be for tea from Assam. So I will make 3 videos for this particular chapter. For the important questions, like what I feel that the questions are very important, you should prepare those questions. Okay, so I will make I'm just giving you a link, in the description box. That is my Facebook link. Please click it and you will find the detail of the questionnaires, which are very important for this chapter. So with this, thank you, and I hope you would be learning through my videos. Whatever your suggestions are, whatever things you want that I should make videos on those topics, please do write in the comment section. And with this, you have to like my video, subscribe it, and please share it. Thank you, and lots of love to you all.